Are you looking to learn how to use Mailchimp for birthday emails and set up a personalized experience for your subscribers? Stick around, because in this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to get started with birthday email campaigns using Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to engage your audience and make them feel special on their big day. Before we dive in, let me mention that you can start using Mailchimp completely for free from the first link in the description below. Plus, you'll get access to some exclusive bonuses that will make your email marketing even more powerful. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Next thing, let's start by understanding how to collect the right data. To send birthday emails, you need your subscribers' birth dates. You can collect this information either during the sign-up process or through a simple email asking them to update their profile with their birthday. This helps you build a more personal connection with your audience. The third thing you want to do is create a custom field in Mailchimp. Head to your audience dashboard, click on Manage Contacts, and select Settings. From there, you can add a custom field for birth dates. This will allow you to personalize your emails and send them at the right time. Next, let's move on to creating the birthday email itself. You want this email to be special and feel personal. In Mailchimp, you can use the drag and drop email builder to create a fun and engaging template. Make sure to include a birthday message and maybe even a special discount or offer as a gift. Adding personalized elements like their name or special birthday wishes will make the email feel more tailored. The fifth thing is setting up an automation. This is crucial because you don't want to manually send birthday emails. In Mailchimp, you can set up an automation workflow that triggers your birthday email on a subscriber's special day. To do this, go to Automations, select Create an Automation, and choose Send a Birthday Email. Then, you can set the timing for the email to be sent based on the birth date stored in the custom field you set up earlier. Now, let's talk about segmenting your audience. Once your subscribers' birth dates are collected, Mailchimp will allow you to segment them into a specific list or tag. You can target these groups specifically for your birthday campaigns, ensuring that only the right people are receiving your special emails. Next thing to consider is testing your emails. Before sending your birthday email to everyone, you should always test it to make sure everything looks right. Send a test email to yourself to check formatting, links, and personalization. The seventh thing you want to keep in mind is tracking and analyzing performance. Once your campaign is live, you can check how well it's doing using Mailchimp's analytics tools. Pay attention to open rates, click-through rates, and engagement levels to see what works and what can be improved for your next birthday email campaign. Finally, don't forget to keep your emails relevant. While birthday emails are a great way to show your subscribers you care, make sure you aren't overdoing it. Keep it sweet, simple, and make sure it adds value to your relationship with your audience. So, to recap, with Mailchimp for birthday emails, you can personalize your outreach, automate the process, and track your results, all while making sure your subscribers feel special on their big day. If you want to get started with Mailchimp and take advantage of all the features I've mentioned, remember to use the link below for an exclusive and extended free trial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description for more information on how you can start your free trial today.